So I'm just gonna do a quick little startup of my pressure washer that I just bought. It's a Lowe's brand Westinghouse 2300 PSI, 1.76 gallons per minute. I got it all put together. That's the lance. I know I'm gonna have to replace that hose, which is gonna kink, but I mean, just for the day, I'm gonna test it out, wash the bike with my old guys. But this is the 15 degree. Yeah, do what I'll be washing the bike with. So I got the bike back out here, and I'm just gonna fire this thing up and use it a little bit. I mean, I'd say that's pretty good. Taking all the dirt off this thing. Now to clean underneath here, which is what I wanted to do originally. This is where all the power valve and mud gets mixed underneath here. Get all this crap off the chain. Final thoughts on this thing. I probably wouldn't put soap in the soap thingy. It just seems like a good way to clog it up. But you know, you can get like a soap cannon, a soap attachment to it. For what I'm using it for, would be just to clean mud or oil off the pavement or cleaning up my dirt bike here. I think it's fine. So, not you know, a high-end pressure washer by any means, but not a bad one either. Perfect for what I'm doing.